Hi everyone, with me today I have the MySmile Dental Grade Teeth Whitening Kit. We're gonna go through it while I tell you exactly what it's gonna do and show you the before and after of my teeth. Here it is straight off the box, the device that's actually going to go and whiten in your teeth. It's super easy to turn on. You're just going to remove this little back cover by twisting it and unlocking it, and then you're gonna go ahead and pull out the little tab that's inside, making sure when you click it, it turns on. So then you're going to attach the little mouthpiece and apply the gel onto your teeth. As you can see here, you get the 3 applicators in this syringe right here, and you have the tips as well to make sure you can put it inside. There's also a couple little notes and instructions for you to make it super easy. There is this whitening shade guide so you can see how dark your teeth was at the beginning and track your progress, which I think is so amazing. Hopefully my teeth will be as white as this paper. Now, right here, you also have any quick questions and answers you might have. For example, how much gel should you use, how to avoid using too much gel, and general questions that you may have. So I definitely want you to read this through before you start your process. So I'm going to put this together and follow the instructions for the recommended times and how much I'm going to use for the liquid, and show you guys the before of my teeth and of course the after. You can draw your own conclusions, but I think this kit is super cool. It brings everything you need, clearly very detailed, and I recommend you guys to try this out because the results are really cool.